What an intro, guys. I just remembered I didn't film much of this. I'm about to rip the transmission out of the boosted Integra so that I can get the Gear X 1 through 4. I've got a diff here for anyone that follows my Instagram. The Gear X is at my tuner shop. He's going to be assembling the trans as well. And it's also getting a full rebuild with hardened sleeves, Gear X 1 through 4, and all new carbon synchro. So pretty simple, just your shift cables. Make sure your harness is out the way, your bracket here, your T bracket on the back, and like 5 or 6 bolts, and the 10mm bolts on the plate on the very bottom. So she's pretty much ready to drop, so I'm gonna go break the seal loose and pull this thing out of here. And we will, when I'm picking up the trans, I might pick it up when I'm dropping it off. Till next time. Alrighty, guys, guess what we got here. So ebtec, you can follow them here. They keep a lot of stuff in stock. And he also has a website, which is ebtec.com. He had my diff in stock, guys. Look at that, mfactory LSD. So we are building the trans. Everything is starting to come together. And he will also be putting my trans together. On the 240, we did pass inspection, but I think it's already sold. So I guess we might be saying goodbye to it. Yeah, sad day, right? But cut this. It definitely looks like it's been through some shipping, but I'm sure everything's good. With that being said, we're just gonna wait on the Gear X set to get here, and we will get a brand new carbon synchro bearing set, like everything. So it'll be pretty much a brand new trans. And again, ebtec. So let's start getting this stuff together, and let's get this trans pulled. And while he's building the trans, I'm gonna work on cleaning up the engine bay, the motor, and oh, that's something else I had to do, guys. I don't even know anymore. So much. Oh yeah, I'm gonna refinish the hood. I've been playing with some clears. I think I finally found one that I like. You might have seen it on the hood. The little spots everywhere here and that look horrible. Yeah, it's just me testing clear coats, what lasts, what works. Just trying to find the best one to work on that old carbon fiber, and also at the same time I'm doing different ways to prep to see what prep holds the best. I don't know, so it's something I've always done with paint. Just because I'm not a painter, I can't look at something like, yeah, I need to do this, this, and this. I just learned from trial and error, and I feel like it's easier if I can go through and just test a few spots. I can find all the error in those little spots, take them back down, re-primer them, whatever, and then spray it the proper way. This is what works for me. It might be a little bit more time, but the end product is where it needs to be. So at the end of the day, I guess that's what it's all about, doing it the way I like it and doing it what works for me. So with that being said, it's just a quick little 2-minute video here. I don't know what I'll put this into. I don't know if I have this into the video I made earlier, or if I will put it in a different one. I do have some editing to do. I do have a day or two of editing to do. So I guess I'm gonna get to that. So I'm out. Peace.